Welcome back, 5:45 on your Thursday morning. If you're searching for a new home or you want to sell your current one, you've surely seen how out of reach it might seem at times. And that's why we have our senior reporter, Brett Forrest, here with a look at the latest data across Colorado. This is always a big conversation here in our state, right?
Yeah, and unfortunately I don't bring great tidings, but good morning, Patrick. So I did speak with the Colorado Association of Realtors about the state of the Colorado housing market and what we can anticipate in 2024.
Buyers were really hoping that we would see a decline in sales so they could get in right on values.
Anticlimactic, stagnant, stalemate, hibernation. Those are some of the words Colorado realtors are using to describe the Colorado Springs housing market in 2023.
Sellers were hoping it would go up. It was marginal at best. And all year we had this back and forth between buyers and sellers.
Key real estate data points like new listings, sales, and sales volume all down 23% last year, with affordability challenges being the most significant factor.
The interest rates, the home prices, and also the cost of living.
Notably, although sales were down, home prices were up. Good news for sellers, tough news for some buyers. Locally, in 2019, 72% of properties sold under $400,000. Now, 72% selling over $400,000.
That's why now they are buying the properties in the higher price range and having a bigger challenge in having the affordability and paying for those properties.
Since 2018, Colorado has built more housing units than population, which has made a dent in the housing undersupply, according to the Colorado Association of Realtors. But that is expected to slow, and higher interest rates continue decreasing home builder profit margins.
We have people that absolutely want to move, and they can't because they're going to be trading out a 3.5% or 4% interest rate to do what? Get into a 7%? So we're stuck.
But there are expected rate cuts on the horizon, though this week's inflation report likely pushes back the timeline.
The trend for mortgage rates is that they have come down, and I think it's likely that they'll come down a little bit more, but it's very unlikely that we're going to go back to the 4 or 5% range.
This week, the latest Market Trends housing report for January shows a spark that brought some realtors optimism for the year, but they predict affordability challenges will remain top of mind.
We want to see the increase in the home buyership. And we are hoping that this decline in interest rate, people who are not selling, coming to the market to sell.
If you're selling, it's still a good time to sell. And if you're buying, it's still going to be a stinger.
Now, there are legislative bills up in Denver to address housing right now, but a lot of it comes down to, as we just learned, the federal level with things like interest rates.
Yeah, so Brett, these are big decisions, big money decisions. Is this affecting whether people choose to buy or rent, specifically here in Colorado Springs?
Yeah, so that was something surprising I learned. Patrick Muldoon, who we just heard from in my story, says many people are choosing to rent right now because they have actually determined they're going to save $750 to $1,000 a month renting the same home in the same area, meaning a lot of people are just waiting to buy. And he says he hasn't seen that kind of buy-rent discrepancy in his 30 years of business, but he also says it's hard to predict where it will go from here.